everyone, my name is Sharon. I'm grade 5 primary school. I am 10 years old. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make slime. It's very easy and simple. Let's check it out. How to make slime by Sharon. The ingredients are activator, or you can use water plus borax, shaving cream or shaving foam. It's the same. White glue, clear glue, white glue, clear glue, with any difference of types is the same. Water and container. That's a lot of ingredients, but but it's still easy to make it. Let's do it. Step 1. Add white glue to the container. Step 2. Add clear glue to the same container as just now. Step 3. Add water to the same container. Remember, do not add too much water. Step 4. Mix well. Get ready for step 5. Wait, before we continue to step 5, I almost forgot something to tell you. Have you subscribed to this channel? If no, let's subscribe to Teacher Lirenz. If yes, we really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for a free cookie. Step 5. Add shaving cream or shaving foam to the same container. You can add shaving cream or the shaving cream as much as you want. Step 6. Mix well. You can mix it with your hand. But don't forget, after mixing it, wash your hands. Step 7. Slowly add activator to the same container. Step 8. Mix well. If it's still too sticky, just add more, but not too much. After step 8, your slime is actually ready to play. This is optional but highly recommended. Add food coloring. Your slime is ready to play. Very and really easy, right? Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day. I love you. Bye.
Love you too.